Spaceship Neptune is a new and luxurious way to travel to the edge of space. Instead of using rockets, it has a pressurized capsule lifted by a large hydrogen balloon. It rises slowly to 100,000 feet in about 2 hours. The capsule can hold up to 8 passengers, offering a spacious lounge with big windows, comfy seats, mood lighting, Wi-Fi, a bar, and a restroom. After spending time in the stratosphere, it gently returns to Earth, landing in the ocean with a parachute and splash cone. Tickets cost around $125,000, and commercial flights will start soon, giving travelers a calm and eco-friendly space adventure. The Wazuma V8M is a unique 3-wheeled vehicle made by the French company Lazareth. It uses a powerful 4.7-liter Italian V8 engine that delivers 460 horsepower and 520 newton-meters of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and sends power to the rear wheel through a carbon fiber drive shaft. This 2-seater has a tandem layout where the passenger sits behind the driver. Its futuristic design features a W-shaped frame and carbon fiber body panels. The trike comes with high-performance parts such as Brembo brakes, Öhlins suspension, and Michelin tires. It costs around $238,000. The Renova SSTO, meaning reusable Nova, was a futuristic rocket idea from the 1960s. It was designed to reach orbit in a single stage and return to Earth without using extra boosters or stages. Its unique feature was an air-breathing system that mixed atmospheric air with exhaust during ascent to increase thrust and save fuel. After leaving the atmosphere, it switched to full rocket mode, using hydrogen and oxygen with an aerospike engine ring. It could carry up to 450,000 kilograms and land with parachutes for reuse. Although it never flew, it influenced modern reusable and efficient space travel concepts. Polaris Dawn is a space mission led by SpaceX and billionaire astronaut Jared Isaacman to advance commercial space travel. Launched on a Falcon 9 rocket, it reached an altitude of 1,400 kilometers, the highest human spaceflight since Apollo. The 5-day mission included the first commercial spacewalk using new SpaceX EVA suits, testing laser-based Starlink communication, and carrying out over 30 science and medical experiments, including research on radiation exposure. Polaris Dawn is a big step toward future Moon and Mars missions, showing that private space travel is now real and possible, not just an idea for the future. Moza AI RoboHands is an advanced device made to relieve neck pain, stress, and fatigue, giving users a new way to relax and live pain-free. It provides 270 degrees circular heat therapy using 3 heating nodes that warm both sides and the back of the neck. The device offers a customizable deep tissue massage with an eccentric rotation design that covers a larger area, easing sore muscles and boosting blood circulation. It also features a dual front hot compress and triple temperature control system, which improves skin health and metabolism. Spinal Armor is a modern back support system that helps reduce or eliminate back pain while letting you move freely. It has an ergonomic and adjustable design that supports and stabilizes your back without limiting motion. Unlike traditional braces that restrict movement, Spinal Armor uses biomechanical technology to provide customizable compression for comfort and support. It is easy to put on and take off, making it practical for daily use. By keeping you active, it helps strengthen core muscles, speed up healing, and prevent future pain. This smart support system is perfect for travel, exercise, and sports while improving back health. Spinal Armor is a modern back support system that helps reduce or eliminate back pain while letting you move freely. It has an ergonomic and adjustable design that supports and stabilizes your back without limiting motion. Unlike traditional braces that restrict movement, Spinal Armor uses biomechanical technology to provide customizable compression for comfort and support. It is easy to put on and take off, making it practical for daily use. By keeping you active, it helps strengthen core muscles, speed up healing, and prevent future pain. This smart support system is perfect for travel, exercise, and sports while improving back health. The Mini Vision Next 100 is a futuristic concept car that blends innovation, sustainability, and personalization into a sleek design. Tailored to each driver, it offers a fully customizable experience that feels unique. With advanced autonomous driving features, the car allows you to sit back and enjoy the ride, while its shared ownership model promotes eco-friendly driving. The Mini Vision Next 100 is compact yet luxurious, built from recyclable materials and powered by an electric engine for zero-emission travel. Its key feature is the Sizer, a dynamic control center that adjusts the car's settings to your preferences. Although still a concept with no set price, the Mini Vision Next 100 promises to transform urban mobility, making driving more enjoyable and sustainable. The Black Ops 4x4 CJ7 is a rugged off-road vehicle built to tackle challenging terrains while delivering an exciting driving experience. Built on the classic Jeep CJ7 platform, it features a powerful V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and large tires, making it ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. Starting at $50,000, the Black Ops CJ7 offers full customization, allowing buyers to upgrade with winches, lighting systems, and comfort features. Recent improvements have increased its durability with a reinforced chassis and better off-road performance to handle even the toughest conditions. Its 4x4 system ensures outstanding traction, and the vehicle combines strength with style. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or muddy paths, the Black Ops CJ7 promises a thrilling ride that can conquer any challenge. The Ehang 184 is a small flying vehicle made by a Chinese company called Ehang. It was introduced in 2016 and is built to carry one person without needing a pilot. You just use a smartphone app to pick where you want to go, and it flies there by itself. It has 8 electric propellers and can carry a person weighing up to 100 kilograms. The drone can fly for about 23 minutes and travel at speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. It was one of the first self-flying passenger drones made to change how people travel in the future. The Caspier Trike V8 is a unique and exciting three-wheeler built for thrill seekers. Powered by a mighty V8 engine, it produces 500 horsepower and reaches speeds of up to 130 miles per hour. Perfect for solo riders, this trike combines comfort with a bold, eye-catching design. With a full tank, it offers a range of 250 miles, making it ideal for long highway adventures. Its aerodynamic frame ensures a smooth, fast ride, while the large rear wheels provide excellent grip and stability. Priced at about $80,000, the Caspier Trike V8 is a luxury vehicle designed for those who want adventure and love to stand out. Experience a ride like no other. The SEMA Show, one of the biggest car events in the world, was the perfect place for Kia to show off its new PV5 Weekender concept. This vehicle is part of Kia's purpose-built vehicle, PBV lineup, which focuses on creating flexible and modular electric cars. The PV5 is unique and highly adaptable, with versions for passengers, cargo, or camping. Despite being only 4.7 meters long, the compact PV5 Weekender makes great use of its space. It includes a dining area for 2, a flexible interior where you can lie down and rest, and a built-in roof tent for comfortable camping. This smart design shows Kia's commitment to making vehicles that suit different lifestyles. Although many are excited about the PV5 Weekender, it's not yet clear if Kia will start producing it. Still, this concept shows how Kia is pushing the limits of electric car innovation. The YEU S1 Smart Lock is a smart and convenient door lock with 8 different ways to unlock it. You can use your phone, fingerprint, or a password, making it very flexible. It connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control it from anywhere and let guests in even if you are not at home. The lock is waterproof, so it works well outdoors.